Hey guys, what's up? I officially look a little bit crazy right now, but I'm just about to go for a run, hence my outfit. But yeah, I just thought I would start this vlog. It is currently Friday afternoon, and I'm going to vlog over the weekend because I'm going back home to see my friends and family for my friend's 21st. And I didn't have time to film like I won't have time to film a proper video over the weekend, so I thought that I would just vlog so at least I have something to put up on Monday or Tuesday, whatever day I decide. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog.
Can I play a song?
I love this song. Everybody, move fit and feel united. No, it's not filming you. Move fit
Show
and
me.
feel united. Now it is. Do you remember this out of White Chicks? No time about me. No time without me. Around you, I've learned to love the understanding and believe in life, but you gotta make choices, be wrong or right. Sometimes you gotta sacrifice the things you like, but I was born to try. Good morning guys, sorry if it's loud in here. We're on the highway, and it's really loud on this road for some weird reason, but we're on our way back home right now. We've only been on the road for like 15 minutes, so we still have 3 hours to go, but yeah, we're just heading there. I don't know what else to say. It's
Pretty straightforward, isn't it?
pretty much. I have no voice left. I actually sound like I've just
It sounds awful.
like taken helium.
With all due respect.
Helium from a balloon. I have no voice left. Is that all you're gonna say?
Yep.
I'm at my friend's 21st and I have no voice. Anyway, so interesting vlog, I would say. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Do I literally have no voice left? Yes. I don't know why people knock when they can hear me talking. I have no Hey guys, so apparently I need to catch you up on some of the things that happened on the weekend. I just looked back at footage and realized that everything was basically just paddocks and animals. Basically yesterday, it was such a blur. We woke up really early at like 8:30 and we drove all the way home. Like when we stepped foot in the door, Mum was like, okay, we have to leave now. So we drove another half an hour to go see our auntie and uncle and our, well, my little baby cousin Lily, so I think there's footage of that. We stayed there for a few hours and then we had to rush home because the party started at 7:30 and Mum wanted to go out for dinner first with the whole fam, and at the pub they forgot to order my meals, so that was fun. The night was amazing and she had such a good time. It was a really cool party and lots of decorations and yeah, just good vibes, good people. It was a lot of fun, but I woke up with an extreme hangover this morning. I don't suggest drinking, guys. It's literally so bad. I'm still dizzy and it's 3:30 p.m. We had to wake up early again and drive home the 3 hours. I slept like the whole time. Hangovers are the worst. It was literally terrible, but I'm home now and I'm just de-stressing and trying to make myself normal again. I'm drinking a Powerade to get my electrolytes and hydration back up, but yeah, I'm just going to end the vlog here. I'm not doing anything else interesting for the day. I want to edit this vlog, so that's why I'm going to end it now. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I'm really sorry that it was dodgy, but hopefully it's not too bad. But yeah, please give it a thumbs up if you do enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.